So I got in the car this morning, and for the first time ever, what happened?
It would not start. Well, we just had to have a tow truck service come and charge our battery because we could not get our trunk closed because of the ice. Our trunk was actually, the ice was not allowing us to shut it all the way. We did not realize that keeping the trunk open would drain the battery. So this morning when we came out to start up the car, no go, did not want to start.
So I tried to scrape away the ice, and if you want to get some of that, like
Yeah.
get that. So that's all frozen. It's super cold in here.
Yeah.
But now, let's see.
Let's see if that'll
It
close.
wasn't going to close before, right?
Yeah.
See, look at
The automatic isn't
the
closing.
automatic isn't closing now.
So it's something that's just in the way. I'm not sure what it could be.
What's that? Let's see.
I mean,
Because that's a problem if it won't go down. If it won't go down, and it keeps wanting to.
and there's no way to just force close it, like a regular trunk. Maybe it's in here. Here.
Oh, I've had it worse in there before.
Right? That's the thing. Like this has been worse before. Like you've got all the ice out pretty much, except for a few pieces. Because that's going to be not good if we have to repair that. What is that?
I don't know.
Anyone tell us what this is? That's what makes it.
Go down?
Yeah.
I wonder.
Is it the tire? Did it move?
Try the tire.
If this is what it is.
Nope.
Nope.
Not the tire.
Now it said off. Trunk closed.
What I did was just pull this. And I wonder if that did it.
Let's see. You fixed it!
I am a genius.
You did it!
I am a genius. We didn't even need the windshield wiper fluid. Wow.
So if this ever happens to you, you know what to do. We discovered this is the latch for, if you ever get stuck in the trunk and need to get out.
Well, okay, why do they do that? Why do they force cars to do that? Because who has ever been kidnapped and forced into the trunk of a car?
Exactly.
Right? Nobody I know. So that was what we needed to do, and all we have to do now is
Close it.
it closed that time. So obviously, got to do this,
Oh,
and it's working.
yeah. And there it goes. And now our car will start tomorrow morning.
Or later today.
Or later
We're keeping
today.
it running to let the battery recharge a bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
What should people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We are super close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. We only have like 17 more subscribers to go. So we greatly appreciate it if you could like and subscribe.